Guys, we got a brand new 2020 Dodge Ram 1500. Alright, this is a Hemi 5.7 liter. A lot of power here, guys, but it doesn't sound so good, so we're gonna make it sound good today. Alright, and I'm gonna show you how we're gonna make it sound good. And got a piece right here, guys. We're gonna delete the muffler. That's what we're gonna do right here. If you need this piece, just find that online. It's a one little small piece, all right? It's gonna go right in between, like, center of the truck. But only one thing is, you're gonna need to cut the back side of the muffler, right in back of the muffler. This will be front of it, so it'll sit, just, you see the truck, it'll sit just like this under the truck. You have two bolts over here in the back end. You don't have any bolts, so you need to cut it. I pre-marked it where I'm gonna cut it from. All right, so it's gonna come with nuts, bolts, and a clamp right there. The clamp is gonna go in the back. All right, so before we cut anything, guys, let's listen to this truck. Let's see how it sounds, all right, before we do anything. All right, I'm gonna put my camera right here. I'm gonna rev it a little bit, and you can see how it sounds. All right, I'll leave it right there. That looks pretty good right there. I'll put my light right here. Let's see if I can aim my camera a little higher. Not the best lighting, guys. I'm gonna rev this truck, and then I'll rev it again once we're done. There you have it. Doesn't sound like anything, alright? But we're gonna delete the muffler. It's gonna sound really strong afterwards, alright? But let me go down there, let me show you what I did, where I marked it at. So you're gonna mark it the same way if you're gonna do it the same way. All you're gonna do, you're gonna take this little pipe. I'm not gonna be showing you how to put it together down there because I don't have a lot of space. Alright, I have the lift set up a little bit off, so I'm not gonna go too high. But let me go down there, let me show you what exactly I did, alright? Just make sure you have a permanent marker right here, just like that. And I'm gonna just take this trolley down there. All right, that's a lot of space down here, no problem. All right, you have one bolt here and a second bolt right there. Don't forget to put this ground in. All right, in the back end here, you see I marked it right there. It's like 2 fingers. All right, mark it right there, and all you're gonna take is a saw, cut that in, cut that out, and that's it. After that, you can slide the new pipe on, put the clamp on, put the bolt in the front, and you're done. Don't forget to put these little guys right here, the muffler mounts. You have 2 in the back, 1 in the front. There should be 1 more over here somewhere right there. All right, so we got 2 over there, and that's it. That's what it looks like down here. All right, very simple. All right, guys, so I'm gonna cut this and we'll just continue. All right, guys, I'm done. Just make sure your exhaust pipes are nice and straight and even. They're not pushed far back out, they're not pushed far back. They should be pretty much at the same spot. If they do move, it might move like a 1/4 of an inch back and forth depending on the cut you made. All right, but you're gonna have a slack about that much. You can always push it back and forth. All right, but this is I had a perfect cut there. Like it's about 1 and 1/4 of an inch. All right, same thing on this side, so it's perfectly even. All right, and let me go down there, let me show you what I did down there. All right, guys, so this end, you're gonna put that gasket back in. All right, it's gonna come with 2 new bolts with the washers on each end. Make sure you put the ground in, the mount right there. All right, on the back end, as you can see what I have here, cut the piece. We eliminated the muffler from right here. That's what we did, and there we have it, guys. This is the clamp that you're gonna get with it. Make sure you put the mounts in, one and one on the other side, on that side, and that's it. So we pretty much eliminated the muffler on the Dodge Ram 1500. All right, so it should sound very loud, mean, and I'm gonna crank it up and you can listen to it yourself. And if you want to do this mod, you can do it yourself. All right, guys, so let me come out of here and let me show you what I did. But here's another look at it. All right, perfect. All right, guys, I'm gonna set up my camera right here and listen to the sound. I'm gonna go inside the car and rev the engine. There we have it. Nice, sounds real nice. All right, I pushed it a little bit just like I would do it to my Camaro. So your truck get it, my Camaro gets it too. Let me put it this way: if my Camaro is gonna get it like that, your truck is gonna. This is one of my friend's truck, so he's probably gonna watch the video. He's gonna probably complain. I don't know. It's all right. It's a test. I gotta test it. If I don't test it, it's not done then. All right, guys. There we have it. That's how you're gonna do the muffler mod on this guy. Eliminate that muffler, guys. Make it sound nice.